Hey guys, Liz Fairy here,
And Joey.
and I'm gonna be real with you guys for a moment. Lately, a lot of my videos have been getting demonetized, and I'm not exactly sure why that is. I have a couple of theories, but I'm not really sure exactly what the cause of it is. But basically, I've been seeing a large cut to my earnings on YouTube through my ads that play on my videos. You guys might not be familiar with the way that YouTube's monetization system works. If you didn't know, I already kind of hardly make anything from YouTube. I'll show you guys some graphs that will show you a couple of examples of how much I make per month. But in a good month, I make about $60 or $70. That is $70 a month, not a day, not a week, a month.
And then on top of that, the way YouTube's payout system works, Liz doesn't really see any of that money until she hits a threshold of at least $100. So
Yeah.
she would only get paid on, like, every 2 months.
Yeah, at the most, every 2 months. And that's if I'm really lucky, because that's, as I said, on a good month. Usually, I make maybe $50 a month, like, typically if it's an average month. But lately, because of the demonetization thing, and also probably somewhat because of the time of year that it is, I've been making more like $30 or $40 a month, which means that I'm not getting paid for 3 or 4 months, which is a really, really long time to not be getting paid. I put a lot of work into this channel, and I write and design and draft and test all of the patterns myself. I film all of the patterns myself. I edit everything all myself, and I'm just not getting paid for that work.
Yeah. Liz puts a lot of work into this. She puts at least 10 hours a day into this job, and she's only making about $1 or $2 a day. And that kind of thing can make it really easy to think that nobody is valuing the work that she's putting in. And it's literally the majority of the day that she's working on these projects.
Yeah, and I know that it's not true that, like, nobody is valuing what I'm doing, because, I mean, I have 7,000 plus subscribers, you guys. We have so many people watching this channel. Thank you so much. I never expected to have so many of you guys here. But I get so many great comments from people telling me about how much what I'm doing has helped them. But, like, I'm sorry, but I kind of need help now, you guys. I need to be able to make a living. I'm sorry. I need to be able to make a living if I'm going to continue doing this. And the only way that I can really keep doing this is if I'm getting paid for my work. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was not going to go there, but there we go. I said I was going to be real with you guys. I'm sorry. So one way that you guys can help is by donating to Patreon.
So Patreon is a website that lets you donate to creators to help them basically make new content.
And your donation will help to keep all of my content free for everyone, but in exchange you get some exclusive perks. So this channel is my only source of income. If you like my work and you feel like I should be paid for my work, then please, please, please donate to Patreon. And as I said before, you guys, there's 7,000 of you. If all of you donated just $1, I would be able to do so many things with this channel, and just generally with life. I would be able to afford to help with rent, to help buy food, to help, like, so with so many things just in our life. And also I would be able to do more with the channel, like buy new editing software. I don't know if you guys really know, I'm using some really old editing software. It's basically freeware. It's not very good editing software, and I feel like I'm constantly fighting with the program that I'm using to do these tutorials. And if I had something that worked better, I might be able to put content out a lot faster and easier, and then it wouldn't take like an hour to encode a video.
If you want to help out, you can find more information at patreon.com/fairyrings. There'll be a link in the description below.
And another thing that I would really like to be able to do is to reopen my Etsy store so that I can start to list things for sale again, because I haven't had that open for a while.
And another thing is that we're trying to save up to move into a bigger place. So
yeah.
We currently live in kind of a tiny one-bedroom apartment up on a second floor, and it only allows us to be able to do so many things from this little studio space that we've kind of built for us.
Not only that, but we kind of also live right next to the highway, so that kind of makes it really, really difficult to record sometimes. It takes me a lot longer to record audio in this location than it would if we moved to somewhere that was a little bit further from the highway.
Yeah.
We're literally right next to it. It's right outside our door. So that would help with us being able to. And also, I apologize to all of you guys for any audio issues. That's why. So, and it would mean so much to me if I was able to contribute something to the rent. As I said before, I only get paid by YouTube when I reach a threshold of $100 a month. So I basically can't pay a monthly payment because I'm not making any money per month. And I have been saving a little bit, but I do only get paid like literally $1 or $2 a day. So it's hard to save and it's hard to be able to afford all of these things. Right now I can only afford to get new materials to make new tutorials, and that's about it. So it just isn't enough.
Yeah, so if you guys want to help, please check out patreon.com/fairyrings if you want to help out the channel.
And if you just want to make a one-time payment to help out the channel, then you can PayPal me. I'll put a link in the description below where you can do that. And that would help a lot too. But if you sign up for Patreon, like I said before, you'll get some exclusive perks. So you'll be able to watch my videos early, or you'll be able to see your name scroll through the credits at the end of the video. Or you'll also get some discounts and some occasional free patterns.
Yeah. Again, you can find more information about the rewards at the Patreon page, and the link is in the description below.
So for a limited time, to save up for the move, I'm going to have a coupon in the Ravelry store that you guys can use. It's going to be a coupon for 10% off of your purchase of $5 or more. If anybody wants to help out that way, you can buy a pattern. So you can use the coupon code MOVEMARCH, all in caps. And this coupon will be running until the end of March, so March 31st, 2018. And there will be a Patreon exclusive coupon of 25% off during March, so patrons will get an extra savings during sales.
So if you'd like to help out with a monthly donation for as low as $1 a month, visit patreon.com/fairyrings.
Currently, YouTube is my only source of income, and it really is not enough for me to survive. So if you like my work and you feel like I should be paid for the hours that I put into working on this channel, please, please, please donate to Patreon. So thank you guys all so much for your views and for your kind comments, and thank you so much for your support and for subscribing to the channel. And I think that's all we have to say for now. So thank you guys for watching.
Thanks, guys. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.